What's up, guys? Today I'll be installing LED turn signals in the front of my Mazda 3. You can do this on any car. It just depends on the wiring on your car. But so today I'll be using the aux light LED turn signals. Comes with a pack of 2. These are on Amazon. I believe for like $10. I'll throw a link down in the description for these. This is what they look like. You can see there's a bunch of bulbs right there. These are red. I got them in red. And they're very bright. I already installed one. I'm going to show you what it looks like here in a second. And then I'm going to show you how to install this last one here. It's the same procedure on both sides. However, you will need a load resistor if your car is not equipped for LED turn signals. Now, I learned this the hard way because I already plugged one in the very first time and it kept hyper flashing. So then I bought these load resistors and now they work. Well, the one that I installed works. So you'll need one of these, and well, actually you'll need to buy a pack of these. I bought these on Amazon as well. I'll throw a link in the description for these too. And let me show you the one that I already installed and show you how it looks. Now, as you can see, this one is the halogen. It's the regular OEM one, and it just like flashes like this. This one is the LED red one, and you can tell how much brighter it is than this one over here. And I think it looks great. I got it in red because, you know, I just want it to look red. So yeah, I'll show you how to install this one over here. So first things first, if you already have existing fog light bulbs, you'll need to remove this cover. And if you don't have fog lights already, I have a video on how to install LED fog lights. So go ahead and go check that one out. Let me just get this out. Okay, so you get this out. So once you got this lens off and unscrewed, place it aside. And you'll see this wire that leads, or no, this one here, it leads up to this turn signal bulb up here. And from the way, I can't get a good grip on it. From the way I'm facing, you turn clockwise, and here is your bulb. And you take the bulb out. Alright guys, so in order to install these load resistors, it's easier if you strip the ends of these so the metal is exposed, because you'll need these little metal parts to touch this metal part of this little tab here. This little metal part, you'll need to touch it to the load resistor wire. And on a Mazda 3, you can take out this turn signal harness, and you'll need to cut this caulking right here. This cowl right here, the black stuff, so you can expose the pink and black wire. And then you'll need to take some wire strippers. I really prefer the automatic strippers because the other ones, the manual ones, suck, and these ones are way more precise. So I'll show you guys what they look like when they're stripped. Alright guys, so this is what the wires look like exposed after you strip them. You can see the copper wire. See the copper wire right there. And in order to strip these correctly, I have my adjuster, this little knob here, adjusted all the way positive. Okay, so you see how clockwise it goes positive? I have it adjusted all the way clockwise. I got these at Walmart for like $12, and it saves me a big headache. Alright guys, so in order to start this, you'll need one end of the load resistor, and you'll put it in to this side over here, and then you'll get one of these exposed parts, whichever one you want to start with first, and then you'll put it inside this side right here. So I'll start off with that first. I'll just you just push it in, but be careful because you don't want to pinch the wire. Pause it. Pause one. Okay guys, so once you got this metal piece on this tab here to touch the copper wire and the wire on the resistor, you'll just clamp it down, and what will happen now is that the current from the resistor wire, the current from the pink wire will go to the resistor wire, and that'll stop the hyperflash. So then once you have it done on the pink one, you clip it on. Once you have it done on the pink one, then you do the exact same thing with the black one, which is the ground. Pause it. Alright guys, now that you have both clamps on, this is what your finished product will look like. Here's the turn signal wire, here are the two clamps, and here's the load resistor. You can see that it's connected to the black and pink wires. Alright guys, so now once you unconnect, oh son of a bitch. Alright, pause it, pause it. Alright, now you need to plug this black wire into this white piece. You tuck it in to the compartment. And then you'll place this part into this little hole here. You should hear a click. Now you take your LED bulb and you plug it in here, and you should hear another snap. And then usually you'll want to screw this onto a metal piece inside of here, but I'll do that later. You can do it wherever you want as long as it's on metal, not plastic. Then you place your turn signal bulb inside the compartment up here. Go up here. Inside up here. And you turn. Pause it. Alright guys, so now your turn signal should look like this. No hyper flashing. See on both sides. Now you can see them on both sides. Here are the packages that I ordered for the video. This is the load resistor package, and these are the bulbs, LED bulbs that I used. Make sure to leave a comment if you guys have any questions. Maybe I didn't explain something thoroughly enough. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks.